talking about the special certification category in terms of HR practices. So basically, this is a special award for companies that have achieved very high scores when it comes to the quality of the HR practices that they're implementing in their organization. So please help me welcome the company MBL.
Congratulations to MBL. MBL.
Yes. Okay. Take a picture first. We'll take a picture first. Thank you very much.
Just a very quick word. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I just want to thank the organizers because, as I told you last week, it's a great initiative and we really appreciate what you are doing. I just want to mention that we are a construction company. We are at the moment working with almost 8,000 employees. And for a construction company, to be recognized like we are tonight, it's really an honor because it's extremely difficult. And the merit is actually, I would like to really thank the HR team. They are exceptional. What these guys are doing, what we are doing all together is amazing. So thank you, Mohammed, thank you, Omar, thank you, Nabil, and all the team in the head office and on all the projects. So thank you all. Really, really, it's amazing. Thanks. Good evening.
Again, congratulations to MBL.